Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on Windows. First, understand that playing classic Doom involves a few different methods, depending on your preference for authenticity versus modern enhancements. We will cover options ranging from emulating the original DOS environment to utilizing advanced source ports. Preparing your system by acquiring the game's WAD files, which are essential for gameplay, is a crucial initial step for any approach you choose. For the most authentic experience, DOS Box is your go-to solution. This free, open-source emulator recreates the original DOS environment, allowing Doom to run exactly as it did decades ago. After installing DOS Box, you will need to mount your game directory, typically containing the Doom WAD file. Then, simply type Doom at the command prompt and press Enter to launch the game, enjoying its classic pixelated glory. If you prefer a more modern feel, source ports like GZ Doom offer substantial upgrades. These community-developed engines provide features such as true 32-bit color, support for resolutions up to 4096 by 2160 pixels, and full mouse look. Simply download your chosen source port, place your Doom WAD files into its folder, and launch the executable for an enhanced, customizable experience. Finally, consider the official re-releases of Doom available on platforms like Steam or GOG.com. These versions often provide a streamlined experience with native Windows compatibility and some quality-of-life improvements, requiring minimal setup. Whether you opt for the raw authenticity of DOS Box, the enhanced features of a source port, or the convenience of a modern re-release, you are now equipped to enjoy this timeless classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.